All right, Violet and I are getting ready to do a deep clean on the sauna. This is our third take, so we're gonna make it right. So all we need is some baking soda, a car wash brush, and your water hose. And we're gonna get in there and give it a deep scrub. All right, here's the inside of the sauna. This is Western red cedar, so the rain and elements don't hurt it. It actually, water leaks through the top and down the sides, and the wood doesn't decay. So what I'm going to do is just spray it out. I took out the plugs. It has 2 plugs in the floor, one there, one up there. So I took those out, and I'm going to wash everything off the walls and all the loose dirt and debris first. And if you don't mind, if you would like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And if you've got a way you clean your sauna, let me know. Got all the surfaces wet. I'm going to take the baking soda, and I get it in bulk, 40-pound bags for my pool. So I just use it for cleaning stuff also. This baking soda will get rid of any funky smells you may get in your sauna from all the sweat. So I just throw it in there. And then we'll scrub it with a car wash brush. And sometimes I have Violet scrub it for me. Hop on in there. Get way up in there. You can go on in further. There you go. Now scrub it real good. So basically, we're going to do this all over the interior of the sauna. We're going to scrub the benches. We're going to scrub the wall about halfway up, the floors, the back wall a little bit, the door, everything. And we'll do that, and then we'll rinse it out. We have scrubbed it, scrubbed everything inside. We scrubbed the walls, the floors, the benches, and now Violet's going to spray it out. So we're going to try and get all that residue down those holes. Go ahead, Violet. Try not to spray the heater, Violet. So you don't want to spray your heater directly, even though this is a wet sauna and it can get wet. You just want to try to keep the electronics dry if possible. Yeah, good job, Violet. All right, we're going to get this thing rinsed out and we'll be right back. The outside, the door, the window. The inside we've scrubbed and washed out. And I'll turn the sauna on now and let it get hot in here. It'll dry it out in a couple hours. And then I'll come back tonight or in the morning and I will vacuum up any residue that's left on the bottom. And it should be good for another couple months. But there's not much upkeep to it, and I use it about 5 days a week. So I'll put a link to the sauna company in the description. And if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.